Hey guys, it's Skyler from Dining with Skyler, and I'm going to be eating like our favorite boy wizard. You can call me Harriet. I've been doing a lot of reading and I've been really inspired to make some of my own recipes. So this morning I'm kicking it off with a butter beer battered bacon. Butter beer battered bacon. Starting my day off with a very hearty meal and the butter beer. I'm gonna try this out. I've never had it before. Wow, that's literally like melted butterscotch. That's sweet. This stuff looks awesome. Let's try it. That stuff is addictive. These are every flavored beans. Now let me tell you, these bad boys are not to be messed with. They come with every flavor from vomit and snot to like mango and peach. So it's really a gamble here, and I'm gonna pick a random one now. Oh man, I don't trust a navy blue bean. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna try it. That tastes like cologne. I got these chocolate frogs. Apparently Harry loves these, so I'm gonna give them a try. I mean, they're chocolate with like crispy cereal. How can you not love those? Guys, I found this Hogwarts-inspired lunch spot in Brooklyn. We're going on an adventure. Okay guys, I made it to Brooklyn. I'm about to go eat lunch at the Hogwarts-inspired place, but first, random bean. I think it's cinnamon. I hate cinnamon. Wait, it's closed. I guess I have to find somewhere else to eat now. Wait a minute. I think I just found the place. This looks like where a wizard would go. Oh man. Guys, it's like the Great Hall. All right, time to go home and prep for dinner. Time for a random bean. A little nervous. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, that's so bad. That's so bad. I don't even know what that is. I think it's vinegar. The wizards love their carbs, and I can roll with that. That's fine with me. So I also found out the wizards love classic British cuisine, and I found some recipes that I've never tried, and tonight I'm making a steak and ale pie with a side of Yorkshire pudding. So I'm really struggling with this English food, and I think if I add a little more beer, it'll help it, make it a little better, so hopefully that'll be the answer here. Ooh, look at that. I officially have no idea what I'm doing. Okay guys, getting ready for the big reveal. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at these. I set the alarm off, of course. Guys, look what I did. I did it all right, which is such a surprise. And we made a little dining hall for me. Oh. So I just finished dinner, and wow, that is tasty and so filling. I do not know how wizards do it. That's a lot of food. The Yorkshire pudding was delicious. Next time I'm gonna add gravy though. I think that would spruce it up a little bit. And then the steak and out pie had so much flavor. I'm gonna start actually making that on the reg. Yeah, I really don't know how Harry stays so skinny though. It's a real question. But now I have room for just a little dessert. Definitely some chocolate frogs and a random bean. Oh no, I got hot pepper. Carbo load. Wow, I think I overdosed on carbohydrates, but I told you I saved a little room for dessert. So I made my signature cake pops with some sour candy, my own little version of an acid pop. Hopefully these don't burn a hole in my tongue. So let's see here. Delicious, but oh man, what a day. I don't know how wizards eat like this. I am so exhausted. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you eat like our favorite boy wizard.